Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC I got a 2008 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you remove the exterior door handle. This handle has some electrics that go into it, so there's some electric connectors that we need to undo to be able to get it off also. So to start with, we need to remove the door lock cylinder, and so to do that you got to pop this little cover. Just a little rubber grommet here, and we can remove that, and then right in there we have a T30, and this you just loosen, and it shouldn't, that one comes all the way out. A lot of times they don't come all the way out, but well, we'll get that. And then once you've done that, once you've loosened it, you can just pull the whole door lock cylinder out, and then for this you're just gonna pull the handle this way, but see we have electric that's attached to the back, so we've got to undo that to get that handle off. So we just need to undo this electric connector and slide that off. Okay, so by pressing this clip up, we're able to unhook this electric, and now we can remove the handle with the electric attached. And then just pull it out, nice and easy, and then that way you pull off the whole exterior handle if you need to put a new one on. And then you've got your electrical button here, which will unlock your car if you have your key close to it, because this is a push button key. Now to remove the rest of the door handle mechanism, we need to reach through here and unscrew this, and that way all this electric stuff can stay on the inside here. And then we got to loosen up one T30 here, and that way we can remove this. So we're going to put a screwdriver, a Phillips, through here and remove that. Okay, and then we have a T30 right here that we need to just loosen a little bit, and then that way it gives us access to slide this and remove this whole mechanism. So when we loosen that screw, this is what it loosened, so that way we can pull this. We can pull this whole unit out through the interior. So that's how you remove your exterior door handle to be replaced and this interior portion. If you're just replacing the exterior door handle and that's it, you don't need to remove this piece. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.